Hello, my beauties and my gentlemen. Welcome to my channel, Alicia Suzanne. Here I unbox and try on some beauty box subscriptions and I do product reviews, all on a teacher's budget. Today I have the Ipsy Glam Bag for July 2021. This bag is $14 plus tax, and let's see what I got inside. I already know some of the products that I got. I peeked. So this was on the outside of the bag, and the bag today, or this month, is Dream. So that's the theme, and it comes with an insert, and it shows us what the products are and then how much it costs for a full size. So this is SL Miss Glam Flat Foundation B12, the easiest way to ditch visible makeup lines for good, making this foundation brush a staple in your routine. The bristles are baby soft, but blend liquid and cream foundations to streak-free perfection. And it says, we love using this blending brush to apply cream, contour, and highlighter products too. And this is full size, and it sells for $19.50. That's way overpriced, but it is nice to get a full size. It is fairly soft. It's super cute. I think that It Cosmetics foundation brush is the best foundation brush, and I don't even think it costs $19, but we'll put that aside. So the next thing we got is Caldo Cosmetics Ultralight See From Space Highlighter in Flare. Looking to glow through winter? Meet this illuminating cream highlight. It's made with ultra concentrated light reflecting pearl and mica pigments, Hello Glow, and has an easy to blend gel-like texture to give your skin the perfect shimmery sheen. Tip: get an all-over glow and mix a tiny bit of this highlighter with your moisturizer or foundation. And the full size of this goes for $17. So I am going to be trying out these products. The next product is this Aheva Sea-Kissed Mineral Hand Cream. It's important to hydrate your skin year-round, especially during cold winter months, but it's easy to forget the skin on your hands. That's true. Keep a healthy hand cream within reach, like this one made with Dead Sea water for a dose of nourishing minerals and skin smoothing witch hazel. We love it on our hands, but this stuff works wonder on dry heels too. And that's cool. This is a deluxe sample, which is a pretty good size. And the full size version of this is $24. I would never spend $24 on hand cream, but that's just me on a teacher's budget. The next thing that we have is this Yinsa, I believe it's pronounced, Skin on Skin BC Foundation in Light Neutral. This creamy foundation multitask while it does a whole lot of good stuff for your skin. That's cool. It's a BB, CC, and full coverage foundation in one. The point of BB and CC creams are not to be full coverage, but I'm just, that helps even out your skin tone, reduce redness, smooth texture, and protect skin with SPF 40. I like that. You still need sunscreen, but it's always good to have makeup on top of your sunscreen that has SPF. And for a super smooth finish, use a damp beauty sponge to blend all over your face. That's interesting that they would send me a foundation brush but then have a product that said use a damp sponge. I'm just saying. This is a deluxe sample, It is a pretty good size. And the full version of this is $38. And I got one add-on. And the add-on I got was this Sophia and Maybell brush cleaner. And I couldn't tell how big it was online because I've seen like the big cleaning brush mats. I almost bought one at Marshall's last week that was like about this big. But I hadn't received this in the mail, so I didn't know how big it was, and I think I'm going to go back to Marshall's and try to get one because this could work, but I was really hoping for something bigger. So now to the try-on. I am going to take their tip recommendation and put this highlighter mixed in with the foundation. And I don't have any foundation or skin products on. I knew it was in this box, so I did all of my makeup besides what was in here. And that is pretty from the outside. So it's supposed to be like a gel-like. So I'm going to put this on my hand. For me, this is almost, I'm almost fair enough that this is almost like a bronzer to me. I don't know if I would use it as a highlighter. And I'm going to take their foundation. I probably got too much highlighter, but we'll see. And I don't know if this will, it's light. So light to fair should match me. I'm pretty pale. And I'm going to take this brush and mix those together. Okay, that was a pretty liberal application. So I have a mirror right here. Most foundation brushes I've seen are larger than this one. I like to take my foundation under my eyes. So, blending out a bit as I woke up at 5:45 this morning, which I never wake up early on the weekends. Today is Sunday. But I was like, you know what? I'm just going to force myself to wake up early. And I did. I went to bed also at like 8:30, and I loved it. I got more done by like noon or 11 a.m. than I do normally all day. I think I'm going to try to keep it up because I'm always too tired by the time I get off work to do anything. I'm going to start, I think, getting up at 5:45. What time do you guys wake up? I'm lucky I don't have to be at work till 8:30. So I'm going to just take that. I think this foundation feels pretty good. I think it's not too bad of a skin color match. And let's, for the fun of it, take this and put it where you would normally put a highlighter and see if that does anything for me. I'm just going to go in with this. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, that one is. I'm just going to go in with my fingers. What the heck? I don't really. There you can see it. That's pretty. I don't know if you can really see it there. I don't think it's too much. What do y'all think? I want to get two. And then, did I go over this? I don't think I did. I got this Stella Cosmetics Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Patina. Cult Classic Alert. This award-winning liquid lipstick is loved by influencers and editors for its comfy, long, and ultra-pigmented yet lightweight formula. It will stay for hours and is fused with vitamin E and avocado oil to keep lips soft and hydrated throughout the day. It says tip, exfoliate your lips with a damp washcloth or sugar-based scrub before applying. And this is a deluxe size sample. That's a pretty good sample size. And the full version of this is $22. That's a lot. I did a lip scrub last night. So let's try this on. Typically don't like liquid lipsticks because I find them all drying and because I wear a mask. I got a little extra there, but I think that's actually a nice color. It is drying. It is sinking into all of my little lines on my lips, but I have dry lips, but we'll have to see how it wears. But I actually think that's a really good color, and it's a little bit more than nude, but not so nude it's competing with my purple eyeshadow. And then the last thing I am going to test is this hand lotion. Hand lotion isn't something that I buy, but I do like getting it in these boxes because I don't buy it. And we're all hopefully using a lot of hand sanitizer. I don't know if I can get this open because of my nails, but let's be real, we all use our teeth. This is embarrassing. Okay, there we go. So let's try this out. Number one is how it smells. I do like it that you can put it on your heels as well because I always have dry skin. Ooh, it smells good. Oh, sea kiss. It smells like the sea. Okay, this is nice and thick. I like the smell. Some might think it is a little strong, but I like it. I really like it. Okay, so that is what I got in the Ipsy bag, and I think this was actually a really good bag. I got some hand lotion. I got some highlighter. I always love trying new foundations and not having to buy an expensive foundation to try it out. I got a foundation brush. I really like getting brands that are recognizable and brands that are popular. So excited about this. So that's it. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.